హాయ్ అండి, నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఎథ్లెట్ వందు. ఈవేళ వీడియోలో జనవరి మంత్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ టోటల్ మంత్ మొత్తం అఫైర్స్ అయితే మీకు షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో వీడియోని అయితే స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. అంతకంటే ముందు నా ఛానల్ ఎవరైతే ఫస్ట్ టైం విజిట్ చేస్తున్నారో ఛానల్ అయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. వీడియోకి తప్పకుండా ఒక లైక్ ఇవ్వండి. ఫ్రెండ్స్కి ఎవరికైతే నీడెడ్ అయితే షేర్ చేయండి. అందులో ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి విచ్ మినిస్ట్రీ హ్యాస్ లాంచ్డ్ ద ఎంఎస్ఎంఈ టీమ్ ఇనిషియేటివ్ ఎంపవర్ స్మాల్ బిజినెస్ ఇన్ అడాప్టింగ్ డిజిటల్ కామర్స్. ఆప్షన్స్: ఆప్షన్ ఏ మినిస్ట్రీ ఆఫ్ కామర్స్ అండ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ, మినిస్ట్రీ ఆఫ్ ఫైనాన్స్, మినిస్ట్రీ ఆఫ్ పవర్, మినిస్ట్రీ ఆఫ్ మైక్రో, స్మాల్ అండ్ మీడియం ఎంటర్ప్రైజెస్. And the correct answer is Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. This scheme has been launched under the Raising and Accelerating MSME Productivity Program. The main aim of this project is to empower MSMEs by integrating them into the digital commerce ecosystem, to promote inclusivity by ensuring 50% participation of women-led businesses, to provide MSMEs with access to digital storefronts, payment solutions and logistics support. The main targets onboard 5 lakh MSMEs onto the ONDC network and also conduct 150 plus workshops in Tier 2 and 3 cities on MSME clusters, women, LED and SC/ST led businesses. This project budget is 277.35 crore and this project's duration 3 years up to 2028. Recently, the CEO of which organization, Geoff Allardyce, is set to step down from his position. Options are option A ICC, option B BCCI, and option C ACC, and option D IOC. And the correct answer is option A ICC. Geoff Allardyce, the Chief Executive Officer of the International Cricket Council, resigned. His resignation comes at a critical juncture just 21 days before the scheduled start of the ICC Champions Trophy 2025, set to be hosted by Pakistan. Sources close to the matter suggest that Allardyce's inability to provide a clear assessment of Pakistan Cricket Board PCB's preparedness for the tournament may have played a significant role in his decision to step down. Which state celebrate the 7-day International Saraswati Mahotsav 2025? The options are option A Haryana, option B Bihar, option C Odisha, option D Sikkim. And the correct answer is A Haryana. Haryana CM Nayab Singh Saini inaugurated the International Saraswati Mahotsav 2025 on 29 January at Pehova Saraswati Teerth in Kurukshetra. The 7-day event runs until 4 February 2025 with seminars, cultural activities and the Saras Mela showcasing rural artisans' products. The Mahotsav is organized on a larger scale modeled after the International Geeta Mahotsav. The inaugural event was held at Adi Badri, believed to be the birthplace of goddess Saraswati. What is the main venue of beating retreat ceremony? Options: option A Vijay Chowk, option B India Gate, option C Rashtrapati Bhavan, and option D Rajpath. And the correct answer is A Vijay Chowk. The ceremony at the Vijay Chowk on January 29 every year marks the culmination of the 4-day-long Republic Day celebrations. The chief guest of the function is the President of India, who arrives in a cavalry unit escorted by the President's bodyguards. When the President arrives, the PBG commander asks the unit to give the national salute. Which is the only Indian college ranked among the top 100 computer science universities globally in 2025 World University Rankings by subject? Options: option A IISc Bangalore, option B IIT Delhi, option C IIT Madras, and option D IIT Chennai. And the correct answer is A IISc Bangalore. The Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore has secured a spot in the world's top 100 institutions offering computer science in the Times Higher Education World University Rankings by Subject 2025. Released on Thursday for the first time, an Indian institution has secured a place 99th rank among the elite top 100 universities in the ranking released last year. IASC led Indian universities by achieving a slot in the 251 to 300 band. Which state became the first Northeast state to sign an MOU with Bhashini? Options: Option A Tripura, Option B Odisha, Option C Uttar Pradesh, and Option D Bihar. And the correct answer is A Tripura. The government of Tripura signed an MOU with Digital India Bhashini division under METI to promote regional languages in governance. Bhashini, part of the Digital India initiative, enables real-time translation, speech-to-text and voice-to-voice communication in 22 Indian languages. Bhashini will integrate thus with CM Helpline, E-Vidhan, Kisan Sahayata app, E-Districts, Amar Sarkar and CCTNS for multilingual governance. Tripura becomes the first northeastern and eastern Indian state and the 8th overall to sign an MOU with Bhashini. The economic survey prepared by options: Option A Department of Expenditure, Option B Department of Revenue, Option C Department of Economic Affairs, and Option D Department of Financial Service. And the correct answer is Option C Department of Economic Affairs. The survey is a report of the state of Indian economy in the financial year that is coming to a close. It is prepared by the Department of Economic Affairs in the Union Finance Ministry under the guidance of the Chief Economic Advisor CEA. The economic survey for 2024 to 25 was tabled by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in Parliament on Friday. The survey is a report of the state of the Indian economy in the financial year that is coming to a close. It is prepared by the Department of Economic Affairs in the Union Finance Ministry under the guidance of the Chief Economic Advisor. This is what the economic survey. Who is presently Chief Economic Advisor to the Government of India? Options: Option A V. Ananta Nageshwaran, Option B Sanjay Malhotra, Option C Shaktikanta Das, and Option D Urjit Patel. And the correct answer is Option A V. Ananta Nageshwaran. V means Venkata Raman. He is an Indian economist and the 18th Chief Economic Advisor to the Government of India. He served as the Global Chief Investment Officer at Bank Julius Baer in Switzerland after serving as its Head of Research for Asia. Prior to this, he worked for Credit Suisse in Switzerland and Singapore and for the Union Bank of Switzerland. He has served Dean of IFMR Graduate School of Business as a professor for graduate students at the Singapore Management University and at the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore and Indian Institute of Management, Indore. Which institution recently extracted silicon carbide from simulated moon soil? Options: Option A IIT Bombay, Option B IIT Madras, Option C IIT Kanpur, and Option D IIT Delhi. And the correct answer is Option B IIT Madras. IIT Madras researchers have extracted silicon carbide from simulated moon soil, aiding future lunar habitat construction. Silicon carbide, also called carborundum, is a synthetic crystalline compound of silicon and carbon. It is extremely hot, has high thermal conductivity, and offers excellent resistance to wear, oxidation, and chemical reactions. Okay, friends, these are some of January month current affairs. Thank you. Have a nice day.